In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot to Chrome. This is a quick setup, and once it's installed, you'll be able to access HubSpot more easily right from your browser. The HubSpot sales extension works with Gmail and gives you convenient access to CRM features, email tracking, meeting scheduling, and HubSpot records directly inside Chrome and on supported websites. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are downloaded, so it's the safest and most reliable way to install HubSpot. When you're in the Chrome Web Store, click into the search box and type HubSpot Sales, then press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will show you the matching extension results. From the list, select HubSpot Sales. Make sure you choose the correct extension so you install the official HubSpot tool. After opening the HubSpot Sales extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. Chrome will then show a confirmation window so you can review the permissions and approve the installation. In that confirmation window, click Add Extension. After that, the extension will automatically install in Chrome. You may need to wait a few seconds while the browser completes the process. Once the installation is finished, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. This opens a list of the extensions currently available in your browser. Find HubSpot Sales in that list. Next to HubSpot Sales, click the pin icon. Pinning the extension keeps the HubSpot icon visible on your Chrome toolbar, which makes it much easier to open anytime without going back into the extensions menu. This is especially helpful if you plan to use HubSpot regularly throughout the day. Now click the HubSpot icon in your toolbar. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your HubSpot account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an account before you can use the extension. That account is required for the tool to connect your browser with your HubSpot features and data. Once you're signed in, the extension is ready to use. From there, you can start working with HubSpot inside Chrome, including using Gmail integrations, tracking emails, scheduling meetings, and viewing HubSpot records more efficiently while you browse. And that's it. HubSpot is now added to Chrome and ready to help streamline your sales and communication workflow.